My name is James McGrory. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I've been in practice since 1999. When I was in medical school, I thought I was going to be a pathologist for the longest time until I did a rotation in orthopedic surgery as a third-year medical student. And I just enjoyed seeing how patients' lives were improved. I enjoyed the fun and the excitement of working with tools in the operating room, and I enjoyed the camaraderie with all the other surgeons who I felt like I had something in common with. I think most orthopedic surgeons would tell you that the most gratifying part of this job is when we're able to get people out of pain. People come to our office with terrible pain sometimes that are sometimes almost non-functional, and when you can take a person like that and get them back on their feet and get them feeling better, that's a pretty gratifying feeling. In my personal life, my role model was my grandfather. I was raised on a farm in South Carolina by my grandparents, and he was really a father figure for me and was a great man, Southern gentleman, and somebody that I have always strived to live up to. From a professional standpoint, Dr. Robert Truesdale at the Mayo Clinic was my mentor. He taught me how to do joint replacement. He was also a great physician. He had great bedside manner, great rapport with patients, and I really watched and learned from him, and I think really learned just how to be a good doctor from Dr. Truesdale. Very grateful for the time I had to spend with him. Well, Dr. Truesdale really taught me how to do things the right way. Dr. Truesdale used to say in surgery, don't leave the operating room until it's right. Sometimes in the heat of battle, you feel a little bit rushed. You put a knee replacement part in, and everything seems okay until you realize that something's not quite right. And if you have to start over, you start over. But everything he ever did was done well and done technically correctly. And that's what people are here for, is for precision and excellent results. One of my personal goals was to write a book. And so I recently completed a novel based on our family's experience with our oldest son who went through treatment for drug addiction. And I'm proud to say after 5 years of hard work, I was able to get that to the finish line, and it's now on Amazon. From a professional standpoint, it was always a goal of mine to complete advanced training in a subspecialty of orthopedics, which I was not able to do because the Navy got in the way. But midway through my career, I did a spine fellowship at the Texas Back Institute, and that's been very gratifying. I think the Hughston Clinic is a special place. Dr. Hughston started this facility long before I was born and set a high bar for us to leap over, and I think all of the surgeons here work hard to live up to his reputation. We have research, we have education and clinical treatment, and we believe that all are important. And we all strive every day to keep the interests of the patients paramount in our practice, and I think that makes this place pretty special.